Silicons cover the hair in a plastic I can't even say it. Blah, blah. Yo, it's Kai Wilson and welcome back to my channel. I have been working in the professional hair industry for the last 10 years, and in this video I am going to be showing you how I get my curls looking like this, using my newfound love, the Hydro Fusion hairdryer from Babyliss. This hairdryer was gifted to me by the awesome and very generous guys at Babyliss. This will not, however, affect or waver my opinion in any way. But as soon as I used it, I knew I'd found the one for my curls and I had to share it with you. As you can see, this dryer is a very aesthetically pleasing little powerhouse and in my opinion, one of the best hairdryers that Babyliss has ever released for curly hair today. So in the box, it comes with the Hydro Fusion hairdryer itself. It also includes a specially designed plasma flow diffuser which helps to dry and form my natural banging curls, alongside a slim salon concentrator that has been designed to give you a streamlined airflow for a smooth finish. And I already know what you guys are thinking. The nozzle doesn't look very narrow. But with the new advanced plasma technology that's inside of the hairdryer, it doesn't need to be. The dryer does all the work for you. Without boring you too much, the advanced plasma technology uses a moisture balancing dual ionic system that combines both positive and negative ions. They work together to hydrate the hair and to eliminate the frizz as you dry. Your hair is then left feeling silky, conditioned with a luxurious shine. So if you're like me and didn't understand a word that I just said, because I basically just read it on the back of the box, this hairdryer is absolutely banging for smoothing out the hair and adding unreal shine for straight or curly hair. So here's a quick breakdown of how I dry my hair using the Hydro Fusion hairdryer with a diffuser. To start with, wash your hair using a sulfate and silicone-free shampoo and conditioner. Sulfates basically strip the hair from all of its natural oils, creating more frizz. And silicones cover the hair in a plastic S coating, blocking all the much needed moisture our curls are screaming out for. I then like to dab my hair just a little to remove any excess water. You don't want to be vigorously rubbing your hair with a towel, as this will take out all of the moisture and create friction, causing loads of frizz and for your hair to tangle. When it comes to choosing hair products, you have to find your own routine that works for your curls. Everybody's hair is different and sometimes has a mind of its own. So if you're interested for me to cover this in another video, leave a comment below. Gently scrunching the product into your hair, as this will prevent disrupting any of your curl. Attach the diffuser to your hairdryer and switch it on to a medium heat and a medium airflow. This is like naturally air drying your hair, but it'll speed up the process so it doesn't take ages to dry. Diffuse your hair using gravity to your advantage. This will create loads of volume. And if you don't want any volume, simply circulate the hairdryer around your head until your hair is dry. Once your hair is dry, I personally need a little bit of help to create more texture and to add some hold. I then mist over a little shine spray, or you can scrunch in some oil throughout the hair. This will really make your hair pop, and especially in pictures. And to finish, break up some of the curls depending on how they are formed. And remember to always check the balance of your hair. And that's it. The world is ready to see your curls. All of the products that I've used in this video are listed in the description below. But all you need to know is that this hairdryer works 100%. And at £60, it is an absolute steal. So if you're struggling to decide which out of the thousands of brands and hairdryers out there to choose from, then I believe that I have made that decision very easy for you. Thank you once again for watching, and if you have found any of this video helpful, please subscribe, hit that bell and leave me a comment of what you want to see next time.